Almost out. Take a photo.
Look, a hubby.
Are you helping? Good job, Glenn. Thank you, Grandmommy. Can you say thank you, Grandmommy?
Take it, Daddy.
You're welcome. Feeding the birds at the Denver Zoo. I'm about out. Mine too. Save about. Drink be dry. Don't do that.